The 2024 Lexus RZ 300e is a new entry in the luxury electric SUV segment. It offers a comfortable ride, a well-appointed interior, and a good driving range for a front-wheel drive EV. However, it falls short of some rivals in terms of performance, cargo space, and charging speed. Highs: asterisk plush cabin materials, asterisk smooth ride and handling, asterisk accurate estimated driving range, asterisk standard features. Lows: asterisk below average cargo space for the class, asterisk not as fast charging as some competitors, asterisk lower horsepower than some rivals. Overall, the 2024 Lexus RZ 300e is a solid choice for luxury EV shoppers who prioritize comfort and refinement over performance and utility. However, it's worth considering competitors like the Tesla Model Y and the Audi e-tron before making a decision. Asterisk price, asterisk the RZ 300e starts at $55,150. Asterisk range, asterisk the RZ 300e has an EPA estimated range of 266 miles, which is good for a front-wheel drive EV. However, some rivals offer longer ranges. Asterisk charging, asterisk the RZ 300e can DC fast charge at up to 150 kilowatts. This is slower than some competitors, but it's still relatively quick. Asterisk features, asterisk the RZ 300e comes well-equipped with standard features, including a panoramic sunroof, heated and ventilated seats, and a premium audio system. If you're looking for a luxurious and comfortable electric SUV, the 2024 Lexus RZ 300e is a good option to consider. However, if you need a long driving range, fast charging speeds, or maximum cargo space, you may want to look elsewhere.